Hello guys, good morning everyone. My name is Gyanan from English with Village Vlog. Guys, today I am going to tell you 3 things which you need to know. Why? Because in order to live your life, you need to know about 3 things: present, past and future. Let me tell you what present is and what future and past is. Future is your hope, present is your fear, and past is your tear. Let me tell you how. Most of the people, they don't want to go into their past. I don't know why. Your past is your teacher and your future is your hope. So I don't know what kind of interest you have. I don't know whether you like past, whether you like future and present. If you like future, it means you want to do something in your life because you have a hope, because you like future. As I described future as a hope, so it means you have a lot of curiosity to become something, to show yourself who you are in your life. But if you believe in your present, so it means you are scared, you have lack confidence, you have fear to face people, to do something, to fight with your life. And the best thing is that past. I don't know, but I like past because I am totally in my past, because whenever I am, so I love going into past, because past makes me nostalgic, past makes me sad, past gives me energy, past teaches me so many things which I learned by failure. So guys, 3 things you must know about this thing, because if you are going to tackle with the people, if you want to fight with the people, if you want to live your life fighting with other people, so you need to know your interest, your power. I love being sad. Why? Because I have been in a sad moment since my childhood. That is why I have a habit. So I am here to tell you how sadness gives you energy. Guys, think, suppose you have been cheated by so many people, you have failed so many times in your life. Now you are alone, it means no one is with you. So now think, who is with you? Of course you can find a sorrow, a sadness and a grief is with you. So just believe. Now you are going to think that, okay, now I am totally indigent person, now I am loser person, now I am nothing. So you are going to think about your past. Okay, that I had this type of life, I had nothing in my life. That is why people didn't respect me, people humiliated me, people played a game with me. So when you are going to in past, again you are going to boost yourself, again you are going to get energetic. That is why I am telling you, you are going to get million things from your past. How many times do you go into past? I don't know, but you should go. You should be in your past time so that you can boost yourself again and again, to fight people, to get energy, to tackle people, to get so many things, so that you can show yourself who you are. You can get what you want to get. So, three things you need to know: present, past, and future. But you have to know these three things as per your choice. If you want to become something, if you have hope, it means you love being in future. If you have fear, so it means you are loser. Of course, I am going to tell you, because whenever we get up in the morning, of course we have lots of fear, because that time we are in present time, thinking that, oh my god, today my boss is going to scold me, today my family member, they are going to humiliate me, they are going to say to me lots of things. I am bound to do so many things today. If I am not doing, I am going to killed, yeah, or humiliated, or kicked out. I know that this thing will make you energetic. Of course, if you love being in present time, of course you are going to do hard work for you. You are going to fail. So guys, yes, I know that we have to be in a future, we have to be in a past, we have to be in a present, we have to live our present. So before going to present, just go into past and take million of power from there. Then you can go to, then you are ready to face, then you are ready to go to present. And when you are present, so you have lots of energy to fight with your fear, with your life. So then you must go for future, then you can do something for you, and then it will work for you. So when you are going to take lots of energy from your past, then you are going to fight with your present, and then you have hope, you have dream to become something, then you are going to future. So for that, now you are ready to fight with all the things which are your enemy. I don't know what you think, because I know lots of people have different mindset. They want to live their life in their in as per their thought. So it is reality. No one can change your mindset. No one can teach you. No one can change your direction, because it depends on your thought. If you want to, if you have any passion, if you have any hope, so go for that. Don't listen to any people. People are going to tell you their experience, how they have done something, how they have become something. So this is, you can take ideas, but you do what you want to do, what you have passion to do. So go for that and show yourself who you are. So guys, I'm not going to tell you million things, because yes, I'm not a veteran person to motivate you. I'm nothing. Yes, of course I'm here because I am deserved to be here. So here I'm telling you that don't give up, just go ahead. Of course life is waiting for you. Just go for that, and of course you will be success, you will get success, and you will, and lots of people are waiting for your success. So show them who you are. So guys, thank you so much guys. If you like video, please subscribe. I will motivate you, I will guide you, I will teach you, I will tell you million things, so that you can get energetic and you get lots of power from the thoughts. So thank you so much guys, and if you like video, please subscribe. Bye. So guys, thank you so much, because I had to cut this crop, so I don't have a time to talk to you. So I will talk to you next day. So thank you so much.